this video, I will show you how to simply reset a forgotten password on Zoom app. Let me show you how. Open up your Zoom app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on sign in. So at this point here, you have different options for signing. Go ahead and select an option you use to create an account with Zoom. So I'm using Google. I'm going to go ahead and click on my Google account. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Then right here, we need to simply come down below right here. We click on forgot password. Forgot password. Don't worry, resetting your password is easy. Just tell us the email address you registered with Zoom. So go ahead and enter the email address you used to register your Zoom account. Once you enter the email address right here, next thing you want to do is to simply click on send right here. Go ahead and click on send. Reset your password. We sent a reset password email to this. Please check the reset password link into your email account. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and exit from the web page right here. Then proceed to the email address you used to create your Zoom account. Open up my Gmail app. Then here we go, refresh. So this is the Zoom mail right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on my Zoom password reset, just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on reset your password. So here we go. Next thing I'm going to do right here is to simply enter the new password right here. And make sure your password follow all these characters listed right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and hit on save. Save it in Google, just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on sign in. And you'll be taken back right here. Go ahead and click on sign in now. Then enter your email address. Proceed to next. Then enter your password. Then go ahead and click on sign in. A verification code will be sent to the mail. Exit from here, open up your mail again, and click on here to go back. Go back. Then here we go. Your Zoom password has been sent. So refresh to get a password. So here we go. This is the code right here. So I'm going to go ahead, 694683. 694683. And boom, hit on allow, dismiss, dismiss, and you are here, back live to your Zoom account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Zoom app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.